Long ago have Skoda taken up Volkswagen's spot as the manufacturer of true people's cars. They combined the unrivaled level of German practicality, thought-out interiors, and advanced economical drivetrains. All of this is flavored with reasonable prices. So, if you're ready to look beyond the prejudice and fully embrace the high-quality manufacturing from the Czech Republic, today we'll show you the newest 2022 offerings from Skoda. Before we kick off the episode, make sure to subscribe to Automotive Territory Daily News and sign up for the notifications by ringing the bell. Let's start the engines. Skoda Karoq. With 500,000 units sold in just 4 years, this compact crossover is the second best-selling Skoda, only after the iconic Octavia. This facelift will undeniably reinforce its leading position, since the buyers will be now getting one of the most handsome and aerodynamic SUVs in the class. A 9% improvement to the 0.3 drag coefficient was ensured by the aero-optimized wheels from 17 to 19 inches. The front fascia grows wider and sports a 2-level DRL signature, optional matrix LED headlights, new bumpers, air curtains, and a rear spoiler. The 2022 Karoq gets 4 basic engines: petrol-fueled 1-liter 3-cylinder, 1.5 and 2-liter 4-cylinders ranging from 108 to 187 horses, and a 2-liter diesel that can be tuned to 116 and 150 HP. The trim selection includes SE Drive, SEL, and Sportsline, and they can be equipped with 8 or 10-inch dash, 4 infotainment screens, ambient lighting, and a choice of vegan, leatherette, or micro-suede upholstery. Skoda Fabia. The 4th-generation Fabia moves to MQB underpinnings, grows in size across all dimensions, and offers improved aerodynamic efficiency of 0.28. The model looks bolder, gains all LED lighting, and rides on more aerodynamic wheels that measure from 15 to 18 inches in diameter. As for the engine range, it is represented by 3 gasoline mills that belong to VW's fuel-efficient Evo family. The 1-liter MPI makes 65 or 80 horses. The 1-liter turbo is good for 90 or 110, while the flagship 1.5-liter 4-cylinder turbo peaks at 150. Even more changes can be found inside of the Fabia's cabin. You can get a 10.25-inch digital display with 5 screens, a modern infotainment up to 9.2 inches in size, plus 7 new safety assists. Skoda Kushak. The first anti-exclusive Skoda derives its name from the Sanskrit word Kushak, which means king. This newcomer hopes to rule the market by offering rugged exterior styling, 6.1 inches of ground clearance, comfortable seating for 5, and plenty of modern tech. Size-wise, the Kushak is comparable to the brand's European Kamiq, but its design is much more athletic. There are 2-part LED headlights with L-shaped DRLs, black cladding, and exclusive 16 or 17-inch wheels. For now, Skoda announced just 2 engines, a 3-cylinder with 115 horses and a 4-cylinder with 150. Both of these turbocharged mills send power to the front wheels. The interior is minimalistic, but it can be spruced up with orange highlights or decorative trim. Standard tech package consists of a 7-inch infotainment with Bluetooth, while up the trim ladder you will find a 10-inch screen, Wi-Fi hotspot, SmartLink connectivity, and a 6-speaker audio. Smash the like button if you agree that Skodas are cheaper and better alternatives to Volkswagens. Thanks for the feedback, and let's keep rolling. Skoda Kodiak. The largest SUV from Skoda's roster arrives with a facelift that is clearly noticeable in its exterior design and inside the cabin. This model is offered in 3 base trims, plus significantly modified Sportline, LNK, and RS versions. All of them get fresher front fascias, thinner LED headlights with optional matrix units, new rear spoilers, and sharper taillights. The latter 3 also offer their own distinctive headlight designs, specific trim and styling elements. The 7-seater introduces more sustainable interior materials, ergonomic seats, and LED ambient lighting. The infotainment measures up to 9.2 inches in size, plus the virtual cockpit has a 10.25-inch screen with model-specific layouts. The engine range includes 2 diesels, 2 gasoline mills, plus the RS-exclusive 2.0-liter TSI that delivers 320 horses. It is paired with a 7-speed DSG and all-wheel drive. Skoda Aniak Sportline IV. A more affordable, yet still rather sporty version of the range-topping RS-AV, the Aniak Sportline trim arrives with a lower chassis, standard 20-inch anthracite alloy wheels, and distinctive exterior elements, like black trim, beefier side skirts, and standard matrix LED headlamps. The Sportline package is offered in 3 flavors. The entry level is wired to a 179 horsepower rear-mounted motor with a 62 kWh battery. The mid-tier offers a more powerful 204 HP motor and a bigger battery with 82 kWh capacity and 323 miles of range. And lastly, for those drivers who do not mind sacrificing a bit of range, there is a choice of the most powerful all-wheel drive Sportline IV 80X that adds another unit up front and raises the combined output to 265 ponies. Inside the cabin, the Skoda gets Alcantara and leather upholstery with grey piping, heated sports front seat, and a sporty 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel that is heated and wrapped in leather. Skoda Slavia. Unlike the last year's Skoda student concept of the same name, the new India-specific model is a subcompact sedan that is built on the VW's MQB A0 platform. With the design inspired by the larger Octavia sedan, the Slavia boasts Skoda's signature front grille, LED DRLs and taillights, plus either halogen or LED headlamps. Its engine portfolio consists of 2 gasoline mills, a 1-liter 3-cylinder with 115 horsepower, or a 1.5-liter 4-pot with 150. Both are mated to a 6-speed manual gearbox, but optionally you can upgrade to a 6-speed automatic or a 7-speed DSG, depending on the engine. Despite prioritizing affordability, the Slavia offers the latest interior tech, and in the top-of-the-line trim even gets genuine leather upholstery. The standard infotainment measures 6 inches in diagonal, but upper trims offer a 10-inch screen paired with an all-digital 8-inch driver's cluster. Skoda Aniak Coupe IV. As it was originally promised, all the VW Group electric crossovers will eventually come out in the coupe SUV body style. For the Aniak, it is the coupe IV modification that has already been spec'd in 3 variants: single-motor 60 and 80, plus an 80X dual-motor all-wheel drive. Unveiled in camo, this electric newcomer has an athletic sloping roofline and most likely will sport an identical exterior design with a stunning matrix LED headlights and hopefully a backlit grille. Among the confirmed specifications are 8.8 through 7 seconds 0 to 60 acceleration and 100 miles per hour top speed. The range is estimated at 248 to 323 miles. We are eager to learn about your thoughts regarding Skoda's new offerings. How would you rate them from 1 to 10, and what is your favorite model from the bunch? Smash the like button to promote this Czech manufacturer over Volkswagen, and subscribe to Automotive Territory Daily News not to miss the upcoming episodes. Our 2022 playlist is on the screen. We'll see you.